The US dollar is trading lower against the Indian Rupee this morning. The USD INR pair is down more than 0.5%. Let me put that number in context for you. This pair had closed at 81.94 on Friday. This is the lowest closing value in almost 2 months, and today it opened at 81.32. That's nearly 1.5, close to 1.5 rupees lower. So why is the dollar falling? Because there is some optimism around a US-India trade deal. You see, India and America are in talks for a trade agreement, and there have been reports that New Delhi is making good progress in these talks. Now, what does a potential US-India trade deal mean? It means more trade between the two countries. India will be able to export more goods to the US, and in turn, it will also import more. In fact, let me show you some numbers here. India's exports to the US totaled $77.6 billion in the last financial year. Imports were at $45.7 billion. So as you can see, there is a significant trade deficit here. India buys more from the US than it sells, and that could change with a trade deal. More exports to the US would mean more dollars in India, and that's why the rupee is strengthening. Now, just to be clear here, nothing has been signed yet. These are preliminary discussions, and there are bound to be many roadblocks ahead. But market sentiment is bullish right now. They're hoping for the best, and that's driving the dollar down. Let me tell you what else is happening in the Forex market. The US dollar index is down. It's trading below 101.5. Earlier, it had touched a 3-month low of 101.46. Most currency pairs are in the green this morning. Look at the euro, for example. It's up 0.3% against the dollar. The Great British Pound is up 0.4%. Even the Japanese yen is up. It's up 0.6%. All these currencies are gaining against the dollar. What about other Asian currencies? Well, they too are trading higher. The South Korean won is up, the Chinese yuan is up, the Indonesian rupiah is up, and so is the Philippine peso. As for oil prices, they too are stabilizing. Brent crude is trading at $84 per barrel. It has risen by more than 1% in the last 24 hours. A lot of volatility in the oil markets last week. Prices had crashed below $80, but have since recovered. Finally, let's talk about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is back below the $27,000 mark. It's at $26,982 at the time of reporting. Ethereum is also down. Both cryptocurrencies are down by nearly 1%.